EMF of the battery, they ask us to find EMF, that's E. And they say voltage across 2 microfarad capacitor is 3. I'm going to draw the circuit here. Voltage across 2 microfarad capacitor is 3 volts. When you have 3 volts. So those who have done current, electricity, and both electric fields can now do this question, right? Guys, one more thing. Now, which ones are getting charged and which ones are not? Which ones out of these capacitors are getting charged and which one out of these capacitors are not getting charged? Now, when you can see, you should be able to see that if this one gets charged, there should be a potential difference, right? If this one gets charged, there should be a potential difference. Now, the first thing you should see is there is no current in this circuit. Current එකක් මේ circuit එකේ යන්න බෑ. ඇයි? Because there are 2 capacitors in series connected to the battery. There is no current through a capacitor. Capacitor are parallel plates. Parallel plates දෙකක් අතරේ current එකක් යන්න බෑනේ. So there is no current in the circuit. Circuit එකේ current එකක් යන්නේ නැහැ. Once it's charged, it's charged. So no current. If you have a voltage between these 2 terminals of 3 microfarad, means you have the same potential difference between these 2 points as well. ඒ කියන්නේ resistor එකක් තියෙනවා. resistor එකක් තියෙනවා. resistance එකක් තියෙනවා. finite value එකක් තියෙනවා resistance එකට. There's a finite value of potential difference, then there should be current as well. එහෙමනම් current එකක් තියෙන්න ඕනේ මේක තුරු. කවුද ඒක තුරු current එකක් යවන්නේ? එහෙනම් capacitor එක තමයි current එකක් යවන්නේ. So if the capacitor has sent a current, so it's getting discharged. So can you keep this charged? No. No. Answer is no. You can't keep that charged. So that capacitor is not charged. Right? So this is the first thing you need to know. This capacitor is not charged. The potential difference there is 0. Understood? Potential difference between these 2 terminals is 0 because there's a resistor, there is no current, so there should be no potential difference as well. And you know, both of them are series. So if this one has a charge Q, this one also should have the same charge because they're series. So you can write Q equals CV to both of them. Q is equal to 2 microfarad into 3 volts. Q is equal to 1 microfarad into V volts. These are 2 equations, 1 and 2. Now you can divide the 2 equations. 2 divided by 1, what do you get? 2 equals to 1. V is equal to 6 volts. That's 6 volts. මොකද්ද V කියන්නේ? V is this. This is V. So that V is equal to 6 volts. So here 6, here 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. Here it's 0. So 9 is EMF. EMF is equal to 6 plus 3. 9 volts. Total EMF එක 9 volts වෙන්න ඕනේ.
සර් මේ 3 μF capacity එක 0 නේ කොහොමද? potential difference
3 microfarad different 0 නේ. right මෙහෙමයි සමුන. දැන් මෙයාව charge වුණා කියලා හිතන්නකෝ. අපි නිකන් assume කරමු මෙයා charge වුණා කියලා. කාවද මෙයාව 3 microfarad charge if it is charged, then there's no current කියන එක හරිනේ. මේ පාරේ current එකක් යන්න බෑ මොකද මේ දෙන්න බැරි එකක් නෙමෙයි තියෙන්නේ. ඒකේ current එකක් යන්න බෑ. Once it's charged and current stops. So there is no current. හරි. සකුණ ඕකේද ඒක? හරි. එතකොට මේ පාරේ කරන්ට් එකක් යන්නේ නැති නිසා දැන් අපි නිකමට හිතුවොත් එහෙම මෙතන 3 microfarad charge වෙලා කියලා. So if it is charged, this is how it going to look like. 3 microfarad capacitor එකයි 8 ohm resistor එකයි මේ විදිහට තියෙනවා. මොකද ඉතුරු සර්කිට් එක වැඩක් නැහැ නේද? කරන්නේ. එතන මෙයා charge වෙලා මෙයාගේ plus plate එකකුයි minus plate එකකුයි තියෙනවා නම් ඒ කියන්නේ you have a potential difference between these two terminals නේද? So if there's a potential difference between these two terminals, there should be a current. එහෙමනම් මෙයා charge වුණොත් මෙයා discharge වෙනකන් එයා current එකක් යවනවා නේ. නේද? If a capacitor is charged and connected to a closed loop circuit, there should be a current until it's getting discharged. Till it's getting discharged, there should be current. So it is current එකක් යනවා. ගිහලා discharge වෙනවා. discharge කරන පස්සේ ඉවරයි. Initially it might be getting charged. ඒක හරි. Initially එයා charge වෙන්න පුළුවන්. මේ circuit එක හදපු ගමන්ම මේ දෙන්න charge වෙන අතරේ මෙයා charge වෙන්නත් පුළුවන්. But once it's getting charged වුණාට පස්සේ මේ circuit එක වැහිලා යනවානේ. මේ circuit එක මේ ටිකේ current එකක් නැතුව යනවා. ඊට පස්සේ ඉතුරු වෙනවා charge වෙච්ච මෙයාව. එයාගේ කරන්ට ගියාම මේක තුරු ගිහලා නියුට්‍රලයිස් වෙනවා. plus to minus charges ගිහලා නියුට්‍රලයිස් වෙනවා. ඊට පස්සේ ආයෙත් charge වෙන්න ක්‍රමයක් තියනවද? නැහැ.